Hi everybody, let's practice YouTube skills on a computer or Chromebook. Alright, the first thing of course is play and pause. And that's in the left corner. The play is the triangle, pause is the two lines. Play and pause. Or you can click in the middle of the video. Play and pause. Alright, the next thing is subtitles. That's the CC. The word CC, closed caption or subtitles. This will then show you so you can read and listen at the same time. Okay, what? This is very fast. Why is the video so fast? Let's change the speed. So there we want to look for the settings gear. It's a little gear like a flower or like a machine part. Settings. And click and open, and you want to look at Playback Feed. Click on Playback Feed. The problem is we have it 2 times. We can make it normal. Play. Okay, it's nice. But maybe it's too slow. Normal is maybe too slow. I'm bored. I want to listen faster. So pause, and then we click on the settings, and then we click on Playback Speed, and we can make it slower or faster. Maybe it's faster, 1.5 maybe. Where do you work? Okay, maybe it's easier now. Or if you want it very slow, right, we can click on the settings, click on Playback Speed, and make it very slow for very close listening. Play. Slow. Very, very, very slow. It's too slow. So maybe 0.25 is too slow for this video. Go ahead and practice. Practice at home. Good luck, everybody. Practice using YouTube.